Okay everyone, let's make an ice cream keyring. You're going to need your stencil, some threads to match your felt sheet, needles, and then your felt sheets as well. Let's go ahead and cut our stencil out. I've cut 2 back pieces and then 2 scoops and half a cone. Let's make a start. So grab the bottom half of this darker brown cone and put it on top of this one. And we're going to sew the edges together. For the edging, I'm just going back and forth, like so. I've now finished stitching the edging, so now we're going to add some crisscross patterns onto our cone. I've got my ruler and pencil, so I'm going to mark out where I'd like to put my stitching. I've marked my pattern out, so I'm going to get my darker brown thread and just go over all the lines that I've made with a nice neat stitch. You can see the texture on my cone is starting to show the more stitches I put in. We've now finished that part. Now we're going to add in one of our scoops. I'm going to grab my purple color and I'm going to stitch that on. I'm just going through one side to the other. And I'm going to do this all the way around this purple scoop. After you've completed that, go ahead and grab your other scoop color and do exactly the same and stitch around. You can use all different variety of thread colors and scoop colors for your project. I've kept mine pretty simple with matching thread colors. After you've completed this part, we're just going to add in some lovely seed beads. For my cone, I'm just going to add in seed beads for the top scoop, but for your project, you can add in seed beads for the bottom scoop and even some brown seed beads for the cone. After you've added your seed beads, we're going to get the other half, which is the back part of the cone, and we're just going to sew around the edges. I'm going to start from the side, and I'm going to go all the way around, but I'll leave the top part where my turquoise scoop is, I'll leave that open so I can add my filling in. At this point, you need to put your filling in, but we're only going to do a little bit of filling for the cone itself. I'm using my pencil to help me get right to the bottom, and we'll add the rest in at a later point. I'm now going to stitch around the edging again, but I'm going to stop when I reach the middle of the top scoop, because at that point, we're going to add in the parts for our keyring. Okay, at this point, what I'm going to do is get a little brown tab of felt sheet like this and put it through my keyring part, like so. And then I'm going to put this at the top of my scoop like this and then stitch that in place. When you reach this part, you can see I've left a little opening, and at this point we're going to add in some more filling for our scoops. I'm using my pencil again to help me get all my filling into the edges of my scoops. And after you've done that, you're just going to go back to stitching this all shut. And then at the end here, I'm going to tie in a knot twice into my work just to make sure it's extra secure and won't come apart. Our ice cream cone is now complete and I think it looks so cute. This project would make a great birthday gift or great Christmas gift. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, please do leave a like on this video and maybe a comment. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I've got more amazing videos coming. Everything that I've used in this tutorial I'm going to list in the description. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.